Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Martinez Immigration. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $20 per hour. We are searching for a talented social media manager to represent our company by building a social media presence for our brands. The social media manager will be required to run advertising campaigns and drive engagement by creating high-quality original content. You should also engage influencers, manage our community by responding to comments, and oversee our customer service across all platforms. Social media manager responsibilities: running company social media advertising campaigns, formulating high-quality novel written and visual content for each social media campaign, building a social media presence by maintaining a solid online presence, monitoring the company's brand on social media, building brand awareness by engaging relevant influencers, managing our online communities to ensure respectful and appropriate engagement, responding to comments on each of our accounts, overseeing customer service provided via social media, analyzing data to determine whether social media campaigns have achieved their objectives, coaching employees company-wide on content creation best practices. Social media manager requirements: must be bilingual, experience with CA/MBA, experience with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and email marketing, experience with immigration, social media marketing experience developing social media strategies, experience working with and developing a marketing plan, ability to develop the right voice for each social media platform, proven ability to build social media communities, understanding of graphic design principles, experience as a brand manager on social media, ability to measure the success of campaigns, job type, contract, pay from $20 per hour, schedule, on-call, experience, marketing, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.